Yeah, I'm at 245. See the way my face looks when I talk a little bit. And hopefully it looks a little different when I am leaner. I'm hoping significantly. Till next time.
What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name's Jackson Desjardins. I'm an ACE certified personal trainer, and I've personally lost 80+ pounds, and I'm here to help you guys do the exact same thing. So diving right into the topic of this video, I'm gonna give you guys 4 steps on how you can start to build your confidence while you're overweight along your weight loss journey. Because I've got news for you. Just because you lose the weight doesn't mean that you're a whole brand new different person. You're still gonna be the same you. It's just a matter of associating yourself as somebody bigger than you truly believe that you are right now. To give you a little bit of a background, as you guys know, yes, I have lost 80 pounds. I was once the fat guy. I spent 4 years trying to lose weight, and I ended up putting on 80 pounds. So how did this happen? Well, what happened is I got into over-restrictive dieting and cutting calories like crazy, and then I wouldn't be able to stick to it. I'd make one wrong move during the week, and then I would ultimately end up binging my face off because I was like, well, screw it, I'm gonna get back on Monday. But what does this do to your self-esteem? What this does to your self-esteem is it tells you, yo, I'm a piece of trash, I don't like myself, and I don't associate myself as a stud in any way, shape, or form. That's what happened to me. That might be what happened to some of you. So step number 1, this is massive. You gotta own it. You've gotta own exactly who you are and own exactly where you're at. If this video is for you, then that means that you're a little bit overweight or a lot of bit overweight, and that's okay. I've been there. I've been both ends of the spectrum, but you've gotta own it and say, okay, I'm hefty right now. That's who I am. Because once you own it, they have nothing on you going forward. They have nothing to hold over your head when you just own the fact and say, you know what? Yeah, I'm hefty right now and I'm working to better myself. What the hell are you doing? Accept the past, but don't dwell on it. You can't change your past decisions, and you can't change what you've done previously to end up where you're at right now. The only thing you can do is look forward in bettering yourself and to own exactly where you're at, so no one has a damn thing to hold over you. You see these stretch marks? You see these stretch marks on me? I've got them on my stomach too. I call them battle scars because that's exactly what they are. Step number 2, the reason I'm on YouTube up to this point, lose the weight. So I'm gonna sum it up for you real easily. How do you lose weight? Well, you have to burn more than you are consuming. You have to expend more energy than you are consuming through calories. Therefore, we all have what's called a total daily energy expenditure, or basically a set point that if we eat right at those calories, we're gonna maintain the weight that we're at, okay? If you eat above that, you're gonna gain weight. If you eat below it, you're gonna lose weight. Boom, that's simple. So how you get under that is totally up to you. You could move more, you can eat less, you can do both. My only request as far as tracking macros, if you're gonna do that, is I only really track protein. I track where my protein's at, and I fill in the rest with carbs and fats. I personally like a low carb diet. That's what has worked best for me in the past. But once you start eating less than you're burning, and you do that consistently, boom, you lose weight. Guys, it's that simple. Stop overthinking it. Stop trying to look into all these fad diets and trying to go keto and all this bullshit. Just do that, because that's what matters. If you choose to lift weights during this time, that's a great idea, but if that's gonna be too overwhelming for you, then don't do that and just focus on moving more. Be it walking, be it designated times of cardio, be it circuit training, whatever the hell you wanna do, just do it. Eat less, train more. Done. Step number 3, focus on the good, improve the bad. Okay, you obviously don't like your body composition right now because you're feeling a little bit overweight or a lot of bit overweight. You're not happy with how you look. Who you see in the mirror is not who you want to see in the mirror. I've been there, trust me. But I don't have to tell you twice. You've got strengths and talents. I've got strengths and talents. You've got weaknesses. I've got weaknesses, okay? Once we can establish focusing on the good instead of focusing on the bad, and focus on, okay, what do I like about myself? That's massive. So stop trying to be somebody that you're not. Focus on what your strengths are. What do you like about you? And really fixate on that. So then we know to fix the bad, okay? Don't try to fix the good. If it ain't broke, don't fix it. Yes, it can be how good you are at Fortnite. Or for me, it's how good I am at Super Smash Bros. Melee, but that doesn't matter. One fantastic exercise for this is designing your super self and literally just drawing a stick figure, labeling the limbs and the head exactly what your ideal self would be. I'm talking like get 5 things, 4 limbs, arm, leg, and a head, and label them. Pick 5 things that you see yourself as, okay, that guy's a stud. I want to be just like him. How do I do that? What would be his 5 characteristics? And then write why you want to do it, and then write how you're going to do it. Boom, now you're off to the races. Step number 4, probably the most important step of this entire video, because without this, nothing matters. Consistency. I don't care if we're talking about losing weight. I don't care if we're talking about limiting beliefs of yourself and getting rid of them. I don't care if we're talking about new habits to incorporate into your life. It comes down to what you can do consistently, because consistency is the only way you're ever going to be able to accomplish your goals. That's it. Not for a week, not for a month, but for several months. It took me like 3 months to lose the majority of my weight, not 2 weeks. So just understand, you're gonna have to be consistent each and every day in order to make the progress that you seek, in order to change your body, in order to change your mind, and to be the confident you that you've always wanted to be. You wanna be confident, you've gotta like yourself. That's a fact. And you wanna build some confidence, make some damn progress. So before I end this video, I wanna mention the comment of the day. And today's comment of the day comes from Rapids Breeze 871. And it says, my biggest why is that I'm tired of waking up and being fat. I wanna know what it's like to be skinny. Well, who can connect with that? Because I've been there. I've been the guy who's been miserable looking at what he sees in the mirror. I've been the guy who doesn't like himself. That's been me. If that's you, I get it. This is a phenomenal comment, because I got news for you. Your life does change when you like what you see in the mirror, when you can wear clothes and feel like you're stunting going out, not just trying to hide something. It changes. That's what weight loss can do for you. And in order to build the confidence while you're losing weight, it's gonna be a matter of reframing your mind and stopping those limiting beliefs that you have, because they're killing you. So on that note, if you are not subscribed already, do me a huge favor and hit that subscribe button down below. It helps my channel immensely to be able to help as many of you guys as possible. And if you're feeling really generous, you should definitely like the video, because that helps the algorithm. Seriously, if you give me a like. So guys, let's build that confidence. Let's lose the weight. Let's stay consistent, because no one else can change your life as well as you can through consistency and massive action. So as always, let's keep getting better together, and let's keep on grinding. I'll see you guys in the next one.